Hi students, today I am doing the topic compound angles. Prove that sin A plus B into sin A minus B equal to sin square A minus sin square B, which is equal to cos square B minus cos square A. Now, sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. We have the formula sin of A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. The formula is sin A cos B plus cos A into sin B into sin of A minus B equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, which is equal to, now here it's in the form of A plus B into A minus B. We know the formula A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square. By using this formula, we can write it as this is A, this is B. A plus B into A minus B equal to A square sin A into cos B whole square minus B square equal to cos A into sin B whole square equal to, we have sin square A into cos square B minus cos square A into sin square B. Then it implies we have to write cos square B in terms of sin now. Since we have to prove that sin square A minus sin square B, we should write everything in terms of sin. We know that cos square alpha equal to 1 minus sin square alpha. So here cos square B can be taken as 1 minus sin square B equal to sin square A into cos square B equal to 1 minus sin square B minus cos square A equal to 1 minus sin square A into sin square B. Therefore, it implies it's equal to sin square A minus sin square A into sin square B minus of 1 into sin square B minus sin square A into sin square B equal to, we are having sin square A minus sin square A into sin square B minus sin square B minus into minus plus sin square A into sin square B. Then it implies minus sin square A sin square B plus sin square A sin square B equal to 0. Then it's equal to, we have sin square A minus sin square B. Therefore, we are getting sin A plus B into sin A minus B equal to sin square A minus sin square B. Then we have to prove that which is equal to cos square B minus cos square A. Here we got sin square A minus sin square B. Now here we have to prove that it's equal to cos square B minus cos square A. We know that sin square alpha equal to 1 minus cos square alpha. So this can be taken as equal to 1 minus cos square A minus of sin square B can be taken as 1 minus cos square B equal to 1 minus cos square A minus 1 plus cos square B. Minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0. So equal to, we are getting cos square B minus cos square A. So wherever we have sin A plus B into sin A minus B, we can take it as directly sin square A minus sin square B equal to cos square B minus cos square A. Hence proved. Next one, prove that cos A plus B into cos A minus B equal to cos square A minus sin square B equal to cos square B minus sin square A. LHS equal to, we have cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. The formula for cos of A plus B equal to, we proved geometrically, that is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B into cos of A minus B equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Now it is in the form of P minus Q into P plus Q or A minus B into A plus B. So P minus Q into P plus Q is always equal to P square minus Q square. By applying this formula here, it's P and it's Q. So that it's equal to, we can take it as cos A cos B whole square minus sin A sin B whole square equal to, now A into B whole power m equal to A power m into B power m. So by using that formula, we can write it as cos square A into cos square B minus sin square A into sin square B. Now here we have to write cos square B equal to 1 minus sin square B equal to cos square A into 1 minus sin square B minus sin square A equal to 1 minus cos square A into sin square B. It implies we have cos square A minus cos square A into sin square B minus 1 into sin square B minus cos square A into sin square B equal to, we have cos square A minus cos square A into sin square B minus sin square B minus into minus plus cos square A into sin square B. Therefore, minus cos square A sin square B plus cos square A sin square B becomes 0. So equal to, here we are getting cos square A minus sin square B. Yes, we have to get cos square A minus sin square B. Next we have to prove cos square B minus sin square A. From this we have to get this one. So to get it, we know that cos square alpha equal to 1 minus sin square alpha. Cos square alpha equal to 1 minus sin square alpha. So that we can take cos square A equal to 1 minus sin square A minus sin square B equal to 1 minus cos square B. 1 minus cos square B equal to 1 minus sin square A minus 1 plus cos square B. Now plus 1 minus 1 becomes 0. So equal to cos square b minus sin square a. Cos square b minus sin square a. Hence proved. Third one, prove that tan a plus b into tan of a minus b equal to tan square a minus tan square b by 1 minus tan square a into tan square b. Solution, LHS equal to tan of a plus b into tan of a minus b equal to the formula for tan of a plus b equal to, we have tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b into tan of a minus b equal to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a into tan b. Now, in the numerator it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b equal to formula is a square minus b square. So, a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Here in the place of a we are having tan a. So, it implies tan a whole square minus tan b whole square whole by a minus b into a plus b, a square 1 square minus tan a into tan b whole square equal to, we have tan square a minus tan square b by 1 minus tan square a into tan square b. Prove that cot of a plus b into cot of a minus b equal to cot square a cot square b minus 1 by cot square b minus cot square a. Now, LHS equal to cot of a plus b into cot of a minus b equal to, cot of a plus b formula is cot b cot a minus 1 by cot b plus cot a into cot of a minus b equal to cot a cot b cot a plus 1 by cot b minus cot a. Now it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square by cot b cot a whole square minus 1 square whole by a plus b into a minus b equal to cot square b minus cot square a equal to, we are having cot square b into cot square a minus 1 by cot square b minus cot square a. Hence proved. Find the values of sin 15 degrees, cos 15 degrees, sin 75 degrees, cos 75 degrees, tan 15 degrees, cot 15 degrees, tan 75 degrees and cot 75 degrees. First we find the value of sin 15 degrees. Sin 15 degrees. 15 degrees can be taken as 45 minus 30. Sin of 45 degrees minus 30 degrees equal to, it is in the form of sin of a minus b. The formula for sin of a minus b equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So here a equal to 45 degrees and b equal to 30 degrees. So equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b equal to sin 45 degrees equal to, here we have 1 by root 2. We know the value of sin 45, 1 by root 2 into cos 30 degrees equal to root 3 by 2 minus cos 45 degrees equal to 1 by root 2 into sin 30 equal to 1 by 2 equal to LCM, here we are having 2 root 2 equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Therefore, the value of sin 15 degrees equal to, we are getting root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Now, cos 15 value we should find. Cos 15 can be taken as cos of 45 degrees minus 30 degrees equal to cos of a minus b. Cos of a minus b formula is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So now cos of a minus b formula is, here a equal to 45 and b equal to 30 degrees. So it's equal to cos 45 into cos 30 plus sin 45 degrees into sin 30 degrees equal to cos 45 1 by root 2 cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus sin 45 1 by root 2 sin 30 equal to 1 by 2 equal to LCM, here we are having 2 root 2. So numerator is, we are having root 3 plus 1. Therefore, the value of cos 15 equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Now, sin 75 degrees. Sin 75 degrees, here we got already cos 15 degrees. Cos 15 degrees can be taken as sin 75 degrees can be taken as sin of 90 minus 15 degrees. 75 can be taken as sin of 90 minus 15, which is equal to cos 15 degrees. So already we got cos 15 degrees equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Otherwise, we can take sin 75 degrees equal to, sin 75 degrees can be taken as sin of 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. Sin of 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. It's in the form of sin of a plus b. Sin of a plus b equal to formula, in the place of minus, here you are having plus. Sin of a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Then we can write it as sin 45 into cos 30 degrees plus cos 45 degrees into sin 30 degrees equal to sin 45 1 by root 2. The value of cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2 plus cos 45 equal to 1 by root 2 sin 30 equal to 1 by 2. So LCM is, we are having 2 root 2. So equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Therefore, the value of sin 75 equal to root 3 plus 1 by root 2. Sin 75 is nothing but cos 15 only. Similarly, cos 75 is nothing but sin 15 degrees only. Cos 75 degrees equal to cos of 90 minus 15 equal to cos of 90 minus alpha. Cos of 90 minus alpha equal to sin alpha. Sin 15 equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. To find the value of cos 75 degrees, we can take cos of 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. Apply formula cos of a plus b and simplify. We get root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Now tan 15 degrees equal to 15 degrees equal to, here we are having 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. So tan of 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. It is in the form of tan of a minus b. So tan of a minus b formula is tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a into tan b. Now, in the place of a we are having 45 degrees and in the place of b here we are having 30 degrees. So tan a minus tan b whole by 1 plus tan a into tan b. Now tan 45 degrees equal to, here we are having 1 minus tan 30 degrees equal to 1 by root 3 whole by 1 plus tan 45 1 into tan 30 1 by root 3. Then it's equal to, here we have 1 minus, take LCM root 3 here, root 3 minus 1 by root 3 upon we have LCM root 3 plus 1. So root 3 cancel. So equal to root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Now here we have to multiply numerator and denominator by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. So equal to, we have a into a equal to a square. So root 3 minus 1 whole square whole by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, root 3 whole square minus 1 square. Now it's equal to, we are having a minus b whole square formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square whole by 3 minus 1 equal to root 3 whole square 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. Take 2 common, then we get 2 minus root 3. Therefore, tan 15 degrees equal to, here we are getting 2 minus root 3. Similarly, cot 15 degrees equal to, we can take it as cot of 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Cot 15 degrees equal to, we can take it as cot of 45 degrees minus 30 degrees, which is equal to, here we have to take formula cot of a minus b. Cot of a minus b equal to cot a cot b plus 1 by cot b minus cot a equal to cot 45 1. Now cot 30 equal to root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Multiply numerator and denominator by root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1 equal to a into a equal to a square. So root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1 equal to root 3 plus 1 whole square whole by root 3 whole square minus 1 square equal to a plus b whole square formula is a square root 3 whole square plus 1 square plus 2 root 3 whole by root 3 square minus 1 square equal to 3 minus 1. Now root 3 whole square equal to 3. 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3 whole by 2. 4 plus 2 root 3 by 2. Take 2 common. 2 into 2 plus root 3 whole by 2 equal to 2 to cancel equal to 2 plus root 3. Therefore, the value of cot 15 degrees equal to 2 plus root 3. Similarly, we can find tan 75. Tan 75 degrees means we can take it as tan of 45 degrees plus 30. Apply tan of a plus b formula. Cot 75 degrees means cot of 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. Cot of a plus b formula.